Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Asad Sheikh and I am welcoming you again in the channel that is Selvidal. So today in this video I am gonna tell you how to fill the form of Synergy. As you guys know that Synergy has released their form and there were a lot of students who are facing problem while filling the form of Synergy. So here I am in this video gonna tell you कि form आखिर भरना कैसे. Yeah, it is a little bit different if I will compare with the form filling of any other company, but it's not much complicated if you will follow all the instructions that is been given in the form, and if you will use your brain, then yeah, it is not much difficult. Whatever, let's start with the video. Okay, so firstly you have to just open your browser where you just have to type Synergy DNS form or whatever. Synergy DNS form, just type it. The very first website will be the synergyexamexcelindia.com is the official website from where you have to fill the form of Synergy, right? So here this interference is the wallpaper of this website, and here there are two options, login or sign up, right? You can see over there. So if you are signing up for the very first time, then you have to do sign up, and there will be some information regarding yourself that you have to put over there, and after that your account will be created in Synergy Exam. I have already signed up, so I don't have to do sign up. I will just do login. So first you have to do sign up, then you have to confirm it by your mail, then you have to do login. Okay, by using that username and password that you have done during sign up. Okay, yes, so now the login has been done. Here you have to fill some of the information regarding yourself, like your date of birth, and then your profile will be completed. After filling this complete detail, your profile will be completed. Then you have to upload your photo also here. Then after, your profile will be completed. Just choose it wherever it is, and then you have to fill your photo also. Yes, so my account has been created, my profile has been created. Now here some of the information regarding exam has been given, and your account, your profile in Synergy has been created. You can just go there, you can just visit this website, you can read all those information. Now if you want to register for Synergy exam, then click over here. Your profile here is been created. Yes, so now click register for Synergy exam. Okay, so here are some what to say, column has been, some boxes here are for different exam. It depends upon for which exam you want to apply. I am here filling the form of DNS entrance exam, so I will go through that. So if you want to see the details also, here it is written all the details regarding DNS entrance exam, right? So you can go through that. All the eligibility criteria, test pattern, all those things has been already mentioned in their official website. So go through it. Now you just have to click over apply now. So very the basics of form will be going to be opened over here. Firstly, it is your application information, which is obviously your information. You have to put your name, last name, date of birth. The things that the application form has been already taken from your profile, like the way you have created in the starting time now. So they have taken all your information from that point only. The things which has not been taken, which has not been asked in the starting, you have to put over there. Okay, what thing motivated you to join merchant AI career? You have to put this thing according to yourself. I'm just here making a demo, so no need, I'm not gonna put anything over there. Next thing is your communication details, like how company will going to be communicate with you, right? the communication details. First, your name that has been taken. You have to fill your address line 1, which is mandatory. You can't skip that. Apart from that, your country, state, city has been taken from your profile, in that you have made earlier. Then you have to fill your PIN code also that you haven't filled earlier. Just put that thing. Now you have to do update. This interference is showing your complete communication detail, like your name, your address, PIN code, state, and country, contact number, and email ID. Then your educational qualification. What is your educational qualification? Firstly, they are asking for a class 10th, your board. If you are from CBSE or ICSE, put over there, and if you are not from that thing, then put on others, because they are not asking for which board you are. You have to type then which board, from which board your school was recognized with. Now you have to put your year of passing. Yes, your marks in English in class 12th. Then your PCM percentage. Next, you have to upload your class 12 certificate. Do make sure that your system is already having all of your required documents, like your class 10 certificate, your class 12 certificate, your own photographs, your Aadhaar card, and your PAN card. These details should be already there in your computer, right? So that it won't get late. Now you have to put your class 10th detail, your high school. Firstly, you have to put your board, then year of passing, then marks of your class 10th English. Marking scheme kya tha? What was your marking scheme, whether it was CGPA or marks. Then you have to put your overall percentage. Then you have to upload your class 10th certificate as well. Then you have to put next. Then you have to declare these things like, I comply with all the eligibility criteria with regard to date of birth and educational qualification, whatever the thing that you have to just tick all of these three boxes. Then 2,360 rupees you have to pay to complete your form filling. After paying, there will be some by which you want to pay. So here your code will be visible, QR code, and you have to pay. The code will be expired in 5 minutes. So this is all about how to fill form of Synergy. I hope you guys will find this recording of form filling video of Synergy helpful. All the best for your preparation, and I hope you guys will get sponsorship from your desired company. All the best for your future, guys. Bye bye. Thank you.